This is the 2017 BMW 1 Series, which is going for 188,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,753 per month. It has 138,000 kilometers in the clock. This car has a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 184 horsepower and 290 newton meters of torque, and accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers in 7.1 seconds, and a top speed of 225 kilometers per hour, pulling with rear wheels. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a fuel consumption of 7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. I don't know anything about this car Dekra report, but we all know that BMWs always have a fault. So when it comes to the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your leather seats, your automatic gear there, your infotainment system. Yeah, man. I didn't see any Dekra. If you want to know about this car, go to their website or go to Joburg South so that you can view this car. But the car, it is still okay.